karma for you is gonna be who you end up with. Don't make me sick, nigga. I adore, I gave you everything, was mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you're dying for.
Hey y'all, it's Yo Girl. Welcome back to my world. Y'all, so for today's video, what I will be doing is a DIY on how to do a dead bride look. I don't know if it's a DIY or if I'm just going to be doing it for you guys. I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to be a big kid today and do this dead bride look. Only as an excuse to wear my wedding dress again, because I feel I look hella fine in it. And I don't believe in wearing it just once, okay, boo-boo? And I don't plan on getting married again. So, I'm using Halloween as an excuse to wear my freaking wedding dress. Who says I couldn't do it? Anyways, y'all, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Turn on your post notifications, and let me know what you guys are doing for Halloween. What are your kids doing for Halloween? If Halloween even is as big as it used to be when we were kids. And what was your favorite Halloween moment as a child? I know for me, it was always dressing up and going out and getting candy. A bunch of candy that will literally last me till next year. So yeah, guys, come and follow me in this video. And let's see if this is a fail. Hopefully not. Alright. Bear with me, y'all. I have a picture that I kind of want to imitate. Yeah. I have black opal. Excellent for skin, my complexion. I highly recommend it for all black girls. And so I'm using this. And I have like this makeup palette, powder, whatever you want to call it, eyeshadow. Then I also have like sponge, more eyeshadow colors. Guys, so as you can see, I just put on foundation. Preferably matches my skin complexion very well. That's why I said I highly recommend black opal. Yes, we're gonna get started with this crazy look.
I want to help her.
Do we have black? We don't have black.
Yes, we have a little list.
Alright, so we don't have black, guys. So I'm gonna have to like sort of work with what I got. A little bit of black, maybe some blue, some dark colors.
Whatever.
That's everything. Alright, guys, so this is my face so far. I had to literally use all the colors I have.
Yes.
I don't have any black, so I tried to make it as dark as possible.
Yes. And I get to do her lipstick.
So I'm going to go at this again and try to make myself look as dark and pale as possible.
I just thought you were staring at me.
Sorry.
So that's why I looked at you.
I'll be back.
I want. Use it by brush.
Alright, y'all.
By the
How
way.
do you think I look? Oh my god.
Yeah, she looks crazy.
I look dead. Great. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm done with this face. Minus my lipstick, which my boo-boo will be doing. And the stupid pimple is still there! Oh my god!
What pimple?
Oh, thank you. But yeah, guys, so she's gonna do my lips. And I'm gonna put on my dress and show you.
You mean that pimple?
Oh my gosh, she's pointing at it.
That one?
And then, yeah, guys. So I'll be back when I'm done.
When I'm done doing that. If you see me going out to Elaine, on purpose, just know that I don't want to do it perfect, so I try to mess it up, right?
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to be a dead bride. I'm gonna try and make you like Miranda.
Oh my gosh.
Now hold up. And there. But she has a line.
Alright guys, so I just did like a blue over top of the lipstick. Just
And I'm gonna
look
rub
darker,
her
so I'm sorry to do it all over again, so it'll be darker.
So where you lined it, I'm just going to oh my gosh, she looked like Miranda. Do you know who is Miranda?
Alright y'all. How do you think my face looks?
Weird.
Weird?
Creepy.
Creepy?
Awesome.
I call this purple.
I call this fantastic.
Alright guys, so I'm going to move to my hair and I'll be right back. As a dead bride. Ooh, my mirror just fell. How do y'all think I did? Like I said, if I had black, it would look so much better. But I don't got no black. Guys, so this is it. This is my Halloween look. I actually did this because I really miss Halloween in Canada. In Barbados or whatever, they really don't do the trick-or-treating. So yeah, this is my dead bride look. How do you guys think I look? Side note, this is actually my real wedding dress. I saw that people put like blood and shit all over their dress, but I am not doing that. I am not wasting my beautiful $300 dress.
300?
Sorry y'all, I'm not doing that.
Oh gosh.
No. I wish I had fake blood, but I don't have any, guys, so this is my look. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for more videos. Happy Halloween, y'all! It's your girl, and I'm signing out of my world.
Bye.
2 seconds later.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with not even another video, just continuing. Anyways, I'm gonna give you my top 10 Halloween costumes as a child. I remember when I was a witch, I always liked to be a witch. I don't know why, with the nose and the wart, with the big pointy hat and the black shiny costume. I don't even know why I enjoyed being a witch so much, but I loved being a witch. Another time I told you guys about being a schoolgirl with a tight itty bitty skirt. I don't even know where the hell I was going with that. At 17, I looked like a little hoochie. Okay. And then I remember being Little Red Riding Hood. Actually, I was Little Yellow Riding Hood from the hood. Because if you grew up in the hood, you know that not all your parents could afford those costumes. So you had to like put together something to make it look a sort of type of way. Yeah. And then I had... Oh my gosh. 1 year in high school, I was a boy. Bruh. I ain't gotta tell you. Oh, another girl came to school as a boy. And no lie, she looked hella fine. Yo, no lie. But yeah, when I was a boy, I remember like wearing my brother's big heavy clothing and his pants with like a snapback to the back. If I had a picture, I would show you guys. Like, I looked crazy. And then another time, I don't know, y'all, I had so many costumes, like, it's crazy. But I feel like if you have kids and you are taking them trick-or-treating, just be safe, y'all. Make sure you keep an eye on your kids. Allow them to have like bright colored clothing so that you can keep an eye on them. I always had like those glow in the dark wristbands or something that glows in the dark so that I'm easily noticed. Kids, stay close to your parents. Don't stray away too far. Don't talk to strangers. And always please let your parents check your candies before you eat them, because these days you never know what people are capable of doing. But yeah, y'all, like, just have fun, be responsible, and enjoy it. But yeah, y'all, for real now, I'm done with my video. I'm out. Happy Halloween, y'all. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole birth the